Hello world! 2K comes back again with another signature series, MyTEAM Festivals and the half box. So today we are just going to open one half box to see how many 100 overall cards can I have. So by right you have a chance to get one or even 200 overall cards from this half box. Okay, let's go. Come on, the first one, 50% of 100 overall. And of course, we are going to get the dark matter. My luck is so trash. I have not getting any good cards on 2K25 this year. And it's not even a good dark matter. J.R. Smith is never going to be played. Okay, I don't care about all this. Right now it's just very disappointing opening. Hopefully we can get some redemption on the dark matters to come. There is still a chance of 100 overall. And no. At least give me a usable card that I can put into my squad. And they give me the worst dark matter. Maybe not the worst, but not very usable. And I already have the card. Another bad and dark matters? How is it even possible? Oh my god. Okay, at least we got 2 dark matters here. Can we get at least one usable card? That's all I'm asking for. I have a very bad feeling. And come on, at this point, I'm just going to laugh. What's wrong with you, 2K? Hello? This is going to be the worst half box you are ever going to see. We get 5 dark matter cards and none of them are usable. Like and subscribe please if you wish to see me open another terrible box just like this one. And all I got to say now is F this game, man.